Our skin is our largest organ. It protects us, and it needs our protection too. Just like our lifestyle choices evolve with time, so should our skincare routines. As we age, our skin undergoes natural transformations. A tailored skincare routine isn't about chasing youth. It's about embracing our age and looking and feeling our best. By understanding the unique needs of our skin at each stage, we can curate a skincare regimen that truly delivers. Let's delve into each decade and unlock the secrets to a lifetime of radiant skin. The 40s are a time of incredible vitality, but it's also when we start noticing the first signs of aging on our skin. Collagen production, the protein responsible for plumpness, begins to decline, and fine lines may make their debut. Don't panic, this is entirely natural. The key is to approach skincare with a focus on prevention and hydration. First and foremost, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sun damage is a leading cause of premature aging, so apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher daily, rain or shine. Hydration is equally crucial. Look for serums and moisturizers rich in hyaluronic acid, a humectant that attracts and retains moisture, keeping skin supple and hydrated. Antioxidants are your new best friend. They fight free radical damage caused by environmental aggressors like pollution and UV rays. Incorporate a vitamin C serum into your morning routine to protect your skin from oxidative stress and brighten your complexion. Remember, consistency is key. Establish a simple yet effective routine now to reap the benefits in the years to come. As we transition into our 50s, our skin experiences more noticeable changes. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly during menopause, can lead to a decrease in estrogen production, further impacting collagen and elastin levels. This results in reduced skin elasticity, thinning, and more pronounced wrinkles. Now is the time to up the ante with products that support firmness and target specific concerns. Retinoids, a derivative of vitamin A, are clinically proven to boost collagen production, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and improve skin texture. Incorporate a retinoid cream or serum into your nighttime routine gradually, starting with a low concentration and increasing as tolerated. Peptides are another powerful ally in the fight against aging. These short chains of amino acids act as building blocks for collagen and elastin, promoting firmer, more resilient skin. Look for serums and moisturizers containing peptides to enhance your skin's natural regenerative processes. If texture is a concern, consider incorporating chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid or lactic acid once or twice a week to gently remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother, brighter complexion. Entering our 60s and beyond is a time for celebration and embracing the beauty of aging gracefully. While our skin may be thinner and more delicate, we can still maintain its health and vibrancy with a targeted approach. The focus now shifts to replenishing lost moisture and protecting the skin's fragile barrier. Oil production naturally declines with age, leading to dryness and increased sensitivity. Combat this by incorporating rich, nourishing moisturizers and facial oils into your routine. Look for ingredients like ceramides, which mimic the skin's natural lipids, and shea butter, a deeply hydrating emollient. Gentle exfoliation is still beneficial, but opt for less frequent treatments and gentler formulas. Enzymatic exfoliants or a soft washcloth can help slough away dead skin cells without irritating the skin. Remember, at this stage, less is more. Focus on nurturing your skin with hydrating, replenishing, and protective ingredients to maintain its health and resilience. Navigating the world of skincare can feel overwhelming, especially with countless products promising miraculous results. However, certain ingredients should be staples in any mature skincare routine. Consider these your skincare superheroes. Retinol. This vitamin A derivative is a powerhouse for anti-aging, boosting collagen, reducing wrinkles, and improving skin texture. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, protects skin from environmental damage, brightens the complexion, and fades hyperpigmentation. Peptides. These amino acid chains stimulate collagen production, enhancing firmness and elasticity. Hyaluronic acid, a humectant that draws moisture to the skin, plumps up the skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Ceramides. These lipids mimic the skin's natural barrier, helping to lock in moisture and protect against environmental aggressors. In addition to these star ingredients, sunscreen is non-negotiable at any age. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and apply liberally every day. Facial oils, rich in essential fatty acids, can also provide deep hydration and nourishment. The delicate skin around our eyes and neck often shows the first signs of aging. These areas are thinner and more prone to dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Incorporating targeted treatments can address these specific concerns. For the eye area, invest in a hydrating and anti-aging eye cream formulated with ingredients like peptides, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients can help reduce puffiness, minimize dark circles, and plump up fine lines. When applying eye cream, use your ring finger and gently pat the product around the orbital bone, avoiding tugging or pulling. The neck is often neglected, but it deserves just as much attention as our faces. Look for a neck cream or serum specifically designed to address sagging skin, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Apply the product in upward strokes from the base of the neck towards the jawline. Lifestyle choices significantly impact our skin's health and appearance. Nutrition, hydration, sleep, and stress management are crucial. A balanced diet provides essential nutrients for skin health. Drinking water keeps skin hydrated and youthful. Quality sleep is crucial for cell renewal. Manage stress with exercise, meditation, or nature. Skincare is about daily choices for radiant skin. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to fall prey to the allure of quick fixes and miracle products. However, true skincare success lies in patience, consistency, and embracing the journey. Remember that visible results take time and dedication. Don't expect to see dramatic changes overnight. It can take weeks or even months of consistent use to reap the full benefits of your skincare routine. Be patient and trust the process. Consistency is key. Make your skincare routine a non-negotiable part of your day, just like brushing your teeth. And finally, embrace the aging process. Our skin tells a story, and each line and wrinkle is a testament to a life well lived. By caring for our skin with intention and embracing the beauty of aging gracefully, we can radiate confidence and vitality at any age. Remember, true beauty is about feeling comfortable and confident in our skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Youthful Glow, like the video, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the beauty of aging gracefully together.